You know better. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝐃𝐎𝐿. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, before we get into this install, just understand some of my edges are out. More specifically, this little part right here. The rest of that is the wig, a wig. If you want to see how to install this 3D dome cap wig naturally, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHerHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is another 3D dome cap install. I did go in and co-wash my wig really quick and then I brushed her out. It was pretty easy to brush out. Most of the tangles in this unit were on the top and on the ends. I'm pretty sure that came from them putting some product in the hair and then finger coiling the unit, because this is a finger coil texture. This is how much shedding I got with the unit so far. But the brush out, she real full. So I do want to tame that a little bit. Like I've said before, these 3D dome caps are the future. The way they construct this wig is perfection. It comes with the pre-cut, pre-plucked lace. It has the bleached knots. It has the cutout ear tabs for your ear. It has the Velcro combs, so if you want to take your combs off like I do, you don't have to use those. It also has the drawstring in the back to tighten down your wig, so no matter your head size, this wig will fit. It only comes in one size. They said all head sizes matter. I need to tint my lace. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate to do that. Even though the knots are bleached, the lace is still ashy. You still need to tint your lace down to your face, okay, or your forehead. And this is a closure wig. I'm pretty sure this is an 8x6 cap construction. You get 8 inches of lace across the front and then 6 inches of lace to the back. It does come with the darts in the lace to give you a more comfort fit around the top of your head, which also helps with the gluelessness of the unit. So we're gonna try to rock this wig glueless. Now, OMGHerHair, as many times as I have worked with y'all, why would you do that? Why would you send me a left side part? You know better. Y'all see how it cuts short on the side? I ain't too worried about it though, because if you wear the wig down, you can't see the sides anyway. I feel off. So let me just get the hair how I want it, because I won't be wearing it in a defined part. That hairline is still a little bit too short, OMG. I told y'all, make them a little bit longer. It has to match these. Let me just blow dry them real quick and see what happens. Tighten that down in the back. Got my bristle brush and my blow dryer, and I'm gonna blow dry these hairs a little bit straighter. Hot and high or warm and high, whatever you wanna use, okay? Hairline's a little circular, which I don't like, but we still gonna work it out. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse really quick just to shape my sides over here. Not really worried about the front. I know y'all probably like, girl, it's gonna curl back up a little bit. Kind of bring these down and train the hair a little bit. They didn't send me a brush, but they did send me a band. Okay, OMGHerHair. And just clip this side. Put some more water on here. Use my detangler brush, work that water through the hair. See how those curls are bouncing in there? And all I did was put water on it. I'm gonna use my Dark and Lovely Curl Glaze on the hair. No mousse on the hair. Just the water and the curl glaze. Work it in. Use the brush to clump the hair back together. Use my finger to coil some of the hair. You can do section by section if you want. This hair is perfect for the finger coils. Maybe that's why it's called the finger coil unit. Finger coily curly unit. Try to say that 3 times fast. I'm gonna go ahead and let it air dry a bit, do my makeup, then we'll come back, diffuse the hair, and fluff it. So I'm gonna take my pick and I'm gonna fluff this hair up. Make sure I go under. Ooh, is that a package? The roots are kind of straight, so you may wanna do a flip over if you want some lift at the top. Should I go under here? Take off the band. I just wanna brush these hairs back. Remember, I put no mousse on the front, just on the sides. I could definitely use my edges over there. Pull out my edges on the side right here. Bring that down a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me put my glasses back on. The makeup on my lace tinted the hair a little bit. I just gotta get some of that off. Take off the clips. That parting space is real deep back there. Like I said, I don't like my hair to be flat on the top. So I'm just gonna twist and pin up the hair in the front. I wish I had one of those like little clips. Take a little bit of the curl cream, put on my hair over here. Ooh, push those back. Bring back the rest of that hair. Now when you use the curl glaze only, it will weigh the hair down and leave it like a moisturized, greasy feeling. But I just wanted to use the curl glaze today because I'm running out of my mousse. And I didn't buy no extra yet. So before I finish, I'm gonna use a little bit of my melt spray just right here on this side. So I wanna lay this edge down right here and give it a little bit more definition on my side because it's too circular. Okay, and I think that is it. I think. So here's the final look. What we think? Look at the body, y'all. Come on. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I need these hairlines to match the texture of the wig, especially if you're giving us the kinky edge. I need them to be a little bit longer. More specifically, I want the hairline that you put on the curly edge wig that I did, I think it was like last year. That right there. How you had those curls around there and it was sparse behind it. Make it just like that. OMGHerHair, I think you got it. Those edges on that wig were perfect because they matched the texture of the wig. I feel like these hairs right here are a little bit too short. So for these 3D dome caps, make the hairs a little bit longer on the sides, especially because you want to give people the coverage that they're looking for without having to go for a 13x6 or a 13x4. That's it. Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.